Cerulean Bluebirds of Paradise by Main Archery Studio. Only from seeds of love can flowers of peace rise into the sky. Cerulean bluebirds of paradise flower where heat, human breath, blue sky, and minerals of the earth combine. With their roots in a cobalt-rich earth and their blooms extending slowly skyward. They gleam enigmatically as though preparing for a final headlong ascent. If you'd like to make an inquiry on this sculpture or the possibility as to a custom variant on its size, style, material or finish, then click the link below that follows or below.